Presidente República José Ramos Horta halau encontro com o secretário-geral Asean, com quem rodicolia com a adesão Timor Leste ba Asean. Terça-feira, loron rua fulang abril tinan rihun rua nulu resinghat ia Palácio Presidencial baripite dili, secretário-geral Asean, com quem hateteng Timor Leste na fating ia Komitmentu no desejo de adere ba Asean. No Timor Leste mos continua suporta, no participa ona iha atividade balo ASEAN yang. Nebe durante ne, halau, no ASEAN mos iha Komitmentu atau Servisu Besik ho Timor Leste.
President of Timor Leste Agency, Dr. Jose Ramos Horta, what I can share with you that I see the President always have the commitment and the desire to bring Timor Leste to be part of ASEAN very early on, and these commitments still here and very strong. The discussion that we just had, of course, looking at how Timor Leste has been participating in the various activities of ASEAN, but also how Timor Leste has been able to support the efforts of ASEAN as well, particularly even though Timor Leste is not yet a member of ASEAN. So it's very clear that actually the President has a clear vision to be part of ASEAN very early into today. And I think the strong commitment, strong desire translate into the actual work for Timor Leste to formally request to become a full member in 2011. And of course, for ASEAN, we now, of course, also have the commitment to work closely with Timor Leste to bring Timor Leste on board as a full member. And I think what I can share with you that we are very pleased to see the reaffirmation by actually the President, who would like to be part of ASEAN sooner rather than later, and we look forward to work closely with Timor Leste at different levels as we finalize the membership in the very, very near future. Thank you.
Reportagem Sabina Sansa, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emohoto atau tem informação atual dia kliu kita haluha hane botão subscribe like halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.